once the landing page has been start, we have an option called as to take start test or learn more. Learn more, which just tells you about what our project does and how you should start this test. At first, we'll check the environment check and we'll go through the student code. Here we have two student codes, like example 13456. We have given access for this, and we'll verify the code at first, and then we'll enable the video proctoring. Then we'll enable the voice monitoring, that is AI integrated. And there are several rules where each question has its own time limit as well as total time limit. And the suspicious activities will be followed, like tab switching, copy paste, screenshots, and all the usual stuff. And main features are like the voice detection and the background application like ChatGPT and AI tools and natural mouse movements. And the risk levels are projected via risk bar. And then we'll get into a full screen mode. So let's start the test. Now the test chart has been enabled. Now you can start the test. So you can see over here on the bottom side, like it's basically an live processing video where it processes all the head recognized gestures. If the user is looking down or some other side, it will recognize. And in this, we have another feature called as we're tracking the voice also, where two, if the user is being dictating any questions or something, we'll detect that also. Here's the active speakers, because active speakers mainly gives the number of speakers who are uniquely talking. And coming to the risk score, first one will look at a copy and paste. See, copy and paste has been suspicious activated. We can just see at the risk bar, and we'll saying that copy and paste has been detected. And next, the developer tools, that is right click is disabled, and the fast typing. I will just say like explain the concept of artificial intelligence. It is nothing but making machines to think like human. Like this is my answer. Okay. If I type like something like complete rapidly, this becomes as a fast typing. Okay, we can see issue. Like fast typing has this level of 1%. Now the craziest part comes now. Like when user try to switch a tab, like see, I just switch a tab and I have opened the ChatGPT right now. So I will try to enter the question like what is the AI, something like that. I have entered the question. See, I have got the answer already. Now we'll get in the tab right now. So here we're getting the warning that tab switching has been detected. Right? See, 1 out of 3 tab switching has been detected. And next, go for next question. Next, if user try to get it off the screen, he'll be like, you need to submit the test automatically. See, if you can see, the questions has been switched automatically, and we are at the 4th question out of 5th question. What is data management system? It is a tool, or it is a way to organize the data. Is the data efficiently? That's cool. Right now we are saying that both are human questions itself. I think ChatGPT is open right now. Yeah, you got dash switching of 2 times. Now we'll go for last question, that is Python or something. And here we are monitoring the background switching apps also. Like if the user opens his ChatGPT or something, we can even get to know that. And after submitting, we have iris score where it's no problem. At last, we'll comparison the part of user answers with AI, and we'll compare that. Okay, see here this was my answer, and it has given human as a correct answer, and the second one it's actually wrong, but it's given tagged as a AI as a wrong answer. There's a complete project out here, so that's it.